Okay, we're looking at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is bouncing this morning, 11:30 in the morning, 11:30 Sunday morning, and we're seeing it bounce. Bitcoin on the Binance charting is now at 17,248. Overnight, was flat or pulled back. If you look at the 15-minute here, we had a dip here and a couple of dips here that pulled it back down, and now it's bouncing quite nicely. That's the 1 minute here, and it's starting to retrace, starting a retracement. Hopefully it doesn't retrace too much. Hopefully we see it hold this level and continue higher. Dogecoin did the same thing. That's the 1 minute. The 15-minute, you could see we pulled back, lost ground, and now we're bouncing a bit. So back to the 1 minute, starting to retrace that movement, and we're hoping to hold this level and head higher. This is the traditional, original charting. Let's go back to trading view. This is what it looks like on trading view. That's the 1 minute. Yellow is price. Scholastic RSI on bottom or in the middle, and the Killinger oscillator on bottom. And we have the 500, the 100, and the 300 moving day average. That's the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, and the 30. On the 30 minute, the Scholastic is up to 80, 87 or so. Could go higher. Could see it go higher. Let's go out to the 2 hour, maybe the 1 hour. The 30 minute, and let's just go back to the lower time frame. And there we have our lowest time frame, the 1 minute. And the RSI is under 20 still right here, so could see some still oversold. BTC, let's go to trading view. Let's go to 1 minute. Showing the same thing. RSI under 20. Oversold. So potentially could go higher. Let's go to the 5, 15, and the 30. So there's your peak from is that right? December, what are we in now? Oh, 8th of December. December 26th. 8th of December, first part of December. We're right at that top. If we can break through that top here, Yeah, blue skies heading higher, hopefully. The 2 hour. See, you've got resistance. 1, 2, 3. A lot of resistance right at. This is on Bitcoin. A lot of resistance at 17,400. All this here is resistance. If it can break through that, good signs, I would think. Dogecoin, same thing. Let's go out to the 4 hour. It needs to get above, I would say, 10 and a half to have blue skies. Now, yeah, there's 10. Let's go out farther. Let's go out to here. That's, yeah, above 10, above 11. That's the 12 hour there. So that keeps us above the 100. So that's a good sign. Back to the 1 minute on Dogecoin. So yeah, let's go back to trading view. And there's your retracement. There's your retracement on Dogecoin. Back to original view. There's your retracement on Bitcoin. So it runs up, usually pulls back about halfway, and hopefully buying can come back in then. Buying will come back in then. Very common to see 50% retracement after any move. So you get a move up like this, sellers come in halfway down, and buying comes back. We'll see if that plays out here. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm using the candle charts back on trading view. You can see the retracement. So that's our current retracement. And hopefully it'll stop and head higher. Let's go look at it on Dogecoin on Robinhood. That's what it looks like on Robinhood. That's what it looks like on Robinhood Bitcoin. So there's your retracement. Retracement is happening. Bitcoin is definitely pulling back now. It looks like that would be about 50% of the move right there. Dogecoin, same thing. Hopefully it stops at 50%. Heads higher. So we're watching Dogecoin and Bitcoin on the Robinhood charting. Sunday morning, 11:30 a.m. West Coast time. And we're seeing a little bounce. And we're seeing the retracement right now. It's raining outside, so nothing else to do. So, oh, look at Bitcoin. Almost full retracement. Let's go back and look at it on the it should be deeper than that. Let's see if it comes up. Yep, there it is. You have to refresh it to get the full. Look at that, almost all the way back retraced, almost retraced the full move. Wow. Dogecoin, original, 1 minute. Let's go refresh it. You gotta refresh it. There you go. Almost retracement of the full move, or did retrace the full move. Wow. Just we can't get a break with this stuff. Look at that. All the way back down. Damn. All the way back down. Oh, more than back down. Bitcoin is sinking. Sinking, my friend. Oh my God, look at that. It's below where it started its move. What a move is that? Good Lord. Well, at least we're seeing some movement. It's been flat and dull for so long. At least we're getting movement one way or the other. Dogecoin, same thing. Nearly retraced the entire move. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. That's Dodge. That's Bitcoin. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see that, but that's under where it started. It's moving up. Damn. Look at that. Holy calories. They are selling this thing off. So much for a positive morning. I'm going to try and refresh this Dogecoin and see if it, yep, all the way down to, you could say underneath where it started. Full retracement. Full retracement. This is on the trading view. That's Dogecoin back to 0.96, 0.096. And Bitcoin, wow. Back to 17,152. Well, we're definitely getting some movement this morning. Oh wow, look at that. Sunday morning, 11:30 a.m. We're watching Bitcoin and Dogecoin on the Binance charting and the Robinhood charting. This is Bitcoin. Made a little bounce up and fully retraced below where it started. Dogecoin, same thing. Bounced and retraced almost all the way back down. buyers coming in yet. A little bit of buying coming in here at the that'd be the 300 day. $300-day moving average. That would be the 500-day. With the white one is the 500-day. So that would be a good bet to be buying below the 500 and or below the 300. That would be a support. Not always, but Bitcoin, Dogecoin, $11:39 a.m. Sunday morning, West Coast time, Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Made a move up and retraced back below where it started. Tough times. Tough times. That's Bitcoin, 17,152, and Dogecoin, .096. Nothing happening. Back to where we started. Damn it. Here we're getting a little hook. We're getting a little hook. At least there's buying and selling going on. At least there's volume. There hasn't been much volume for a while. Okay, we're back. Let's see what happened here. Let's see what happened. We've got a little hook going on Dogecoin, a little hook on Bitcoin. Trading view. It's not showing it. Let's go back to original. Let's reset it. Go here. Go here. 1 minute. There's your bounce. 17,136 was a low, and it's bouncing now. Dogecoin, let's go back to the original. Try and reset it. For some reason it won't. There's a little hook right at the 300-day moving average. It is holding. So those are, looks like maybe someone else is using the 300 and the 100 and the 500 like me. There's the 500, just below the 500 on Bitcoin. Buying came in. There's the 300. And that would be the 100. So it started at the 100 here, which, you know, advances the 100 higher on the 1 minute. Buying comes in, and now we're moving back up. Again, this is 11:30 a.m., 11:45 a.m., Sunday morning. We're seeing some movement on Dogecoin. This is Dogecoin. And this is Bitcoin on the Binance charting, trading view. You're seeing the bounce there. So live traders could be selling up here and buying down here. These indicators could be a way to do that, or you could just go by price itself. This is an easier way just to see price on with the green candles. You can see where it turned from red to green. And that would have been where you buy. This is back to original view, and it's right here on the 300 moving MA. Green candles came in and heading up. So anyhow, little action. This video is getting too long, so I gotta do some other things, but interesting. I'll come back later and we'll see if this actually held or it's failed. So give me a if you can let me know if you're watching this on the phone or the computer. I'd appreciate it. Just make a comment, just put phone or computer. I'd appreciate it, and I would know it'd help me out a little bit. You can see this better on TradingView. You can see that chart probably better right there for the phone, and on this one you can see it better on the computer. So if you could let me know which one you're using, I'd appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Good luck to you. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll get some value out of this. Just looking at the charts here, trying to understand it. We're on Dogecoin, Bitcoin, on Binance charting, and Robinhood charting. This is the Robinhood charting. So it's all free. You just can download Robinhood, put a little money on it, and start trading. So it's kind of fun. So, okay, that's enough for now. Talk to you later. Thank you again.